The back stitch bind off is the one to use if you are trying to match an E-wrap cast on. It comes the closest. We can do this on the machine or working from waste yarn. You must begin with a long enough yarn tail to reach 2.5 times the width of the knitting on the machine, because backstitch takes up a good bit of length. That means you will have to manage a long yarn tail at first. When the tail shortens a little bit, it's possible to get the thumb of the hand that is not holding the needle to hold back the yarn tail and control its behavior a little better. The action is like this: up through a new stitch, back through the previous stitch, skip a stitch, up through a brand new stitch, back through the previous stitch, and repeat. Every stitch gets worked through twice. When the bind off is complete, just lift the work off of the machine